The birth of an enterprise is the fusion of time and pursuit. Bathed in holy light, born with hope, grow into a mountain, standing in the sky. Excellent company, offering history. Like us, inspire human wisdom. Dare to break through now. Explore the future of change. To be the action of the times, with perseverance, up, grow. To leading every innovation in the future. Entered the building materials industry since 1990. From a small start to products all over China, on pursuit of excellence. Compose a 30-year chapter. Every baptism, we are more determined than calm. Every fusion, value-added empowerment in practice. Every inheritance, the power of culture stirs the mind. Every chance, we all have a firm response, guided by the banner of the new era. The brilliance of the national little giant. Vita Power. With the development strategy of national, new energy and new infrastructure, the silicone industry will usher in new opportunities and challenges. On December 26, 2021, Yingyang pointed out that to promote the high-quality development of county economy, leading industries, we abide by the Secretary's orders. So far, in East China, South China, Central China and North China, 6 production bases have been established. Become the total annual sales of 1.6 billion yuan, total area of 210,000 square meters. Large comprehensive adhesive group enterprise. We have achieved multiple accolades in the field of architecture and innovation. At the same time, pay attention to the exchange and co-creation of scientific research with R&D patents. We have established 4 R&D centers in cooperation with many universities to continuously explore new technologies. With the needs of national development, we have engineering, decoration, color, PU foam series. According to the concept of energy saving and environmental protection, we launched the Champagne series. Provide solutions for construction, transportation, and photovoltaic fields. Every day we embark on a journey, constantly striving to grow our business. We are familiar with the morning and sunset of every city, from China to the world. People in Junbond have established more than 30 large warehouses, more than 36,000 sales outlets. The workers insist on doing every job well day after day to ensure the best quality. Excellent quality has been recognized by the world, and agents have cooperated with us one after another. Junbond fulfilled his social responsibilities and did a lot of public welfare activities. We cannot be satisfied with the past. We must look to the future. We must continue to evolve and fulfill the mission of the business. Work together and win-win together. Junbond Group